Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to exploring the Windsor Nature Park. Windsor Nature Park is a serene and beautiful nature reserve located in Singapore. It forms part of the larger Central Catchment Nature Reserve and is located near the famous MacRitchie Reservoir, offering visitors a peaceful escape into nature right in the heart of the city. The park is well known for its rich biodiversity, lush greenery, and well-maintained walking trails. Here are some key features of Windsor Nature Park. Biodiversity and wildlife. Windsor Nature Park is home to a variety of flora and fauna. The park is primarily a secondary rainforest and is known for its diverse plant species, trees, and wildlife. Visitors might spot various types of birds, insects, and small mammals during their visit. Walking trails. The park has several trails that allow nature enthusiasts to explore its beauty at a leisurely pace. Some trails take you through dense forest areas, while others offer views of the nearby reservoirs. The trails are relatively easy, making it suitable for hikers of all skill levels. The most popular trails include the Windsor Nature Park Loop and connections to the MacRitchie Reservoir trails. The Treetop Walk. Windsor Nature Park is closely connected to the Treetop Walk, a popular feature in the MacRitchie area. The Treetop Walk is a freestanding suspension bridge that offers panoramic views of the forest canopy. It's an exciting way to observe wildlife from a height, giving visitors a chance to see the forest from a unique perspective. Conservation efforts. The park is an important part of Singapore's conservation efforts. It plays a vital role in maintaining the ecological balance of the Central Catchment Nature Reserve. The park also houses a variety of plants that are important for sustaining Singapore's biodiversity. Educational and recreational activities. Windsor Nature Park offers educational programs and guided nature walks to raise awareness about local biodiversity and environmental conservation. Visitors can learn more about the native plants and animals that thrive in the area. The park also serves as a peaceful recreational space for walking, jogging, and simply enjoying nature. Accessibility. The park is easily accessible via public transport and is just a short walk from the Marymount MRT station. It is also well connected to other nature parks and trails in the area, making it a great starting point for exploring the larger Central Catchment Nature Reserve. Overall, Windsor Nature Park is a great destination for those seeking a quiet, natural retreat in Singapore, with opportunities for hiking, wildlife spotting, and appreciating the beauty of the local ecosystem. History of Windsor Nature Park, Singapore. Windsor Nature Park, located in the central region of Singapore, is part of the larger Central Catchment Nature Reserve, which is the island's largest nature reserve. The park is known for its rich biodiversity, lush forested areas, and serene environment. The park is known for its rich biodiversity, lush forested areas, and serene environment, making it a popular destination for nature enthusiasts and those seeking a quiet escape from the city. Early history. The area that is now Windsor Nature Park was originally part of the larger Bukit Timah Forest Reserve and the surrounding Central Catchment area, which has a long history of being an important conservation site in Singapore. Bukit Timah, once home to a thriving rubber plantation, became a focal point for Singapore's early conservation efforts. In the mid-20th century, Singapore recognized the importance of preserving its natural areas, and the Central Catchment Nature Reserve was officially established to protect the rich ecosystems of the island's central forests. Windsor Nature Park was developed as part of these broader efforts to create accessible natural spaces for the public to explore, while maintaining its role as a protected area for wildlife. Development into a nature park. Windsor Nature Park was officially opened to the public in 2018. Before this, the area had been relatively underdeveloped compared to other parts of the Central Catchment Nature Reserve. The park's development aimed to enhance its role as a nature reserve, making it more accessible while maintaining its conservation objectives. One of the key features of the park is its role in supporting biodiversity conservation in Singapore. The park has been designed with nature trails, boardwalks, and educational facilities to promote awareness about Singapore's natural heritage. It provides visitors with opportunities to learn about the flora and fauna of Singapore, particularly the species that are endemic or threatened. Windsor Nature Park is home to a range of ecosystems, including tropical rainforest, freshwater streams, and open spaces. The park's diverse habitats attract a variety of wildlife, including birds, butterflies, insects, and small mammals. The surrounding forested areas are vital for maintaining Singapore's water catchment, and the park is part of efforts to protect the island's biodiversity. Windsor Nature Park is also known for its collection of historical trees, including the iconic asterisk, cannonball tree asterisk, and other native species. These trees provide habitat for various species of animals and are significant to the ecological balance of the area. In addition to being a place for leisure, Windsor Nature Park is involved in important conservation work. The Central Catchment Nature Reserve, of which the park is a part, is home to several rare and threatened species. Singapore has implemented several conservation measures to protect this area from human encroachment and habitat destruction. These efforts include sustainable management of the forest, as well as habitat restoration initiatives. Windsor Nature Park is also an important site for research on the flora and fauna of Singapore, providing a location for studies related to biodiversity conservation and sustainable land use. The park's development included the construction of educational facilities such as the Windsor Nature Park Visitor Center, which helps educate visitors about local wildlife and conservation efforts. Finally, the conclusion. Windsor Nature Park represents Singapore's commitment to preserving its natural heritage and promoting the importance of biodiversity conservation. Through careful planning and sustainable development, the park has become an important green space for both locals and visitors, providing a peaceful environment for recreation while supporting scientific research and education. About the trail. Hangwana Trail 350 meters 10 minutes easy. Squirrel and Drongo Trails 2.2 kilometers 1 hour easy. Trail to Treetop Walk 7 kilometers full trail 3 to 4 hours moderate and difficult. Venus Loop 1.8 kilometers 45 minutes easy. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified of my latest uploads. Thanks for watching.